lot of short squeezes.
Short
And
squeezes.
SMCI, what we have here on the right,
That was a good one.
that was a good one. We played this. Basically, we bought with when we saw a bull signal, and we played SMCI in the past. We shared it if you go back to our older videos.
Yeah. This one's always kind
let's see
of.
how much.
This one's always a good moneymaker, I think.
254%. But what's funny is like, and we saw this.
Oh yeah.
This on Reddit. Wall Street Bet.
Yeah, Wall Street Bet was going wild about SMCI this time. They were sleeping on it last time we were trading it, but this time they were on it. But
they were on it, but this is insane. This is when like, this is not trading. This is gambling, because they like, look at this. This guy, like, he buys calls when it was $1,000. That's basically the top. Exactly the top. And now he's down like 70K, or at least he was. God knows how many days back this was, but like, I don't know.
Oh man.
But like more than 70K probably right now. But yeah, he bought exactly the top. Now our indicator caught the bottom and it said bear right at the top. So I mean, and the SRSI was like flatlined, so I would
flatlining for a month. I would have been scared to buy into this like halfway through that move
selling around here.
That's actually what I like. So we like so I was saying, we bought in like about after we saw the bull print there. I started selling out when I hit 100% profit, and then I sold some more when I sold some more at 100, 180, and then 230 was the last. I sold the rest of it. So
and then we exited once we saw the signal. We exited completely, right at the top.
It played, I think I ended up 130 or something was really close to the top, and I think I exited the very last of my position for like 170%, so a little bit lower again on the way down when we got the bear confirmation. I was like,
right, because you like, that's the thing, you stagger it
exactly
on the way up and on the way down.
It's also I started.
Now we're out.
It's also I started selling at 100%. It was like, there is, like, let's not get greedy. I don't want to end up like this guy and lose my whole stack in one trade. Like, there's no reason to.
Yeah, and mind you, this is not on options. This is just the profit that we made on just plain buying spot.
That's
SMCI.
True. It should be noted that this guy in the screenshot here is also
doing options.
He's trading not just options, but zero FTD options. Like those are like 1 day options.
Super risky.
Either you're right or you're wrong, and you're finished. Like at the end of the day. So
completely.
That's
the top. So
it's very much gambling.
Please don't be like this. Just use our indicator; it helps.
And if you don't, don't understand the derivative market, or honestly, put it this way: there's nothing wrong with gambling. Just know that you're gambling. So, don't get into stuff that you think is an investment while you're gambling. It's totally okay to gamble. I like to gamble; it's fun, but.
Yeah, so look at exactly.
Like I wouldn't do it with my whole portfolio, but
Well, some people, because like he's saying, things seemed risk averse with the steady price movements. No,
absolutely not.
This is a parabola. Like, look at it, and it's gonna like break at some point.
Yeah,
and it looked top clearly. This clearly looked top. Like, why would you?
It looks very topped. I don't know. Sorry, that's just like, I don't know. The whole thing that I always think of when I see a price or any token or any asset or any stock that's climbing up steadily, my thought is, oh, there must be an awful lot of pressure on the other side of this building up, waiting to push that shit right back down. Like, because these markets aren't a one-dimensional or one-directional thing. There is a dynamic between buyers and sellers, short sellers, bears, bulls, all that stuff. And when something is moving up 250% in the course of 2 months, you can bet your ass there's going to be pressure on the opposite end of that equation looking to push it back down. Yeah. Like there isn't like steady growth. Like that's nuts. That's So let's not rag on this guy too bad, but
But we've been playing it. I mean, our members, we caught the move and we're happy to have sold.
Yeah, that's
so true. We're going to look for more opportunities like this in the coming weeks.